Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the early morning vlog. Appreciate your time and your support. Going down a very dark road. This is the road that I actually use when I bring in smartphones and they're going through the reviewing process and I want to test the stabilization of that specific smartphone. I run my car through this area, shake it up a little bit, see how well the phones I bring in handle a rough road like this. And yeah, it's a quiet little area. Every once in a while you'll see some homeless people. You gotta be careful because they're usually wearing dark clothes. Like that truck right there, I'm sure there's somebody sleeping in there. Anyway, I wanted to see how well my S21 Ultra handles this area as far as the low light in the dark situation. Bunny rabbit just ran on by. I don't know if I caught that on camera or not. Yeah, it was a little rabbit. Yeah, I don't know what this car's doing here. Anyway, I wanted to answer a few questions from a video that I just recently uploaded. I did a hands-on over at Best Buy. It wasn't anything special. It was just a little time that I got to spend with the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. I had a little bit of extra time to go out and check out those devices at Best Buy. The guy at Best Buy was just setting up two different areas, and there were actually quite a few customers looking at the new smartphone series from Google, and so I had to share the space as well, so I couldn't quite do everything. I was able to take some pictures, get pictures of those pictures with my S22 Ultra, which means that in that video they're not going to be the best of quality, but those pictures, when I was taking them, I was looking at the quality of them, and wow, very sharp images, detailed images, all the way up to 20 times zoom. Very impressed. In the video, it's not going to do you any justice as far as what you really want to see from these pictures. I would go to a Best Buy, and hopefully those devices are connected to their in-store Wi-Fi, because these ones weren't. The gentleman setting them up said that there would be another guy coming in from Google to get that all connected, right? Because obviously they're demo devices. So I wasn't able to do a lot, but I was able to get a close-up on the devices. The one thing I did notice, outside of how beautiful and sexy that aluminum metal slab across the back that houses the cameras was, is that they do feel pretty much the same from the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro series. Even though I didn't have the 6, I was able to have a hands-on with that. Never made a video of it over at the store itself. So yeah, they felt the same, but they look different. And man, I would really suggest a skin case. That glossy back is beautiful. I just wish they would have at least brought, out of the three colors, one of those colors would have had a matte finish on the back. But yeah, I would really consider protecting those devices. They're beautiful, gorgeous. I love the look and design. It still has that same design from the 6 Pro, but a little bit more sexy, a little extra some, if you know what I'm talking about. So the edge of the curved display, right, left, right, a little bit more on the minimal. It definitely is. I have a picture of that in that video that I uploaded. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's getting really close to being flat. I don't know why they just didn't make it flat now, but it is a little more on the minimal side. You will have face unlock, biometric face unlock, class 1. When it comes to the description of biometric type of face unlock that it's going to be. Basically, you're not going to be able to make payments, and you're not going to be able to sign into your Google account. Okay, you're just going to be able to go right into your Google 6 Pro, which is really cool. If you wanted more, you're not going to get more than that, but at least we got face unlock, because that was one of those areas that a lot of you wanted, like on the 6 Pro. We didn't get it. A lot of you said it should have been on the 6 Pro as far as the flagship. We have it this year, and super stoked about that. So you can choose the fingerprint reader, which is supposed to be faster and more responsive than ever. For me, it's about the quality of the experience. That fingerprint reader just works every time you put your thumbprint or your fingerprint, whatever you're going to use, that it just allows you to get in without any issues. It doesn't need to be the fastest, okay? I'm going to give the fastest to the OnePlus smartphones. Well, at least the last few years that they've implemented that functionality on OnePlus. OnePlus does it right, and then I would say Samsung, and then everything else up there. So yeah, I definitely will utilize face unlock. I do it from time to time. I use it on my S21 Ultra and my S22 Ultra. Obviously, there's a little more to those devices with the facial recognition. You can actually do a lot more than what you'll be able to do on your Google Pixel 7 Pros. But face unlock is there, and thumbs up to that. Again, they feel the same. They look better. I love the sexiness of them. They're solid. No creaks, no squeaks. Let's see. I'm looking forward to all the camera features that are going to be there. Ultra wide looks. I love ultra wide. 126 degrees field of view, which is nice. Something that's never really talked about unless you're going over to the specs. It's important. My first time ever using ultra wide was on, and I still have it, my LG V20. Just freaking amazing. Nothing's ever been able to compare to that I know of. As far as the brightness, the Google Pixel 7 Pro, man, what's this guy doing, man? This guy's gonna get hit. There's zombies out here, man. He's wearing dark clothes. Crazy. Crazy. Over at GSM Arena, it says 1000 nits HBM, which is high brightness mode, and then it has 1500 peak nits. Either way, it's going to be a lot brighter than what we had on the 6 Pro. I think the high brightness on the 6 Pro is 800 nits. So it on paper, it's supposed to be the 7 Pro. I didn't look at the 7. A lot brighter. I didn't have any issues outdoors on a sunny day with my 6 Pro. I wear glasses, so that helps. But yeah, we all see that differently, though. Okay, what may look good to me may not look good to you, as far as when it comes to brightness. And that's even when looking at pictures or video. I mean, we're all going to see things differently. That's the same that you'll get in a battery conversation. For me, it's not about screen on time so much. It's more about when I plug and plug back in. Gets me through my day. If I have to charge a smartphone for 15-20 minutes to finish out my day, I'm cool with that. Get my smartphones to work for me. So, we're going to see all these different areas differently, and we'll find out what battery life is going to be on the Google Pixel 7 Pro for me, and for those of you who get the 7. But yeah, I mean, as far as those questions that I've gotten in, sexy device, feels great, very solid, display looks very bright, didn't get to test the speakers, got to check out a few pictures, had enough time to take pictures with my S22 Ultra of those pictures on the 6 Pro, which, standing there and looking at those pictures on the 6 Pro, beautiful. In the video, again, not going to give those pictures any justice. Front facing camera, I took one picture, I didn't get a picture of that, but it looked really good. I don't know what the video is going to be like. I'm sure it's going to be great. I'm sure it's going to be powerful. These devices are going to be powerful. They're going to get you through your day. The curve a lot more minimal, and the face unlock is awesome that it's going to be there, and a lot of different through software, a lot of different features we're going to get when taking pictures, shooting video, cinematic video. We're going to be able to have a cinematic, what do they call that, blur, which is something I'm going to test out. You'll be able to fix blurry pictures. I'm going to purposely take some of those type of pictures, just see what I can do with them, and I'm going to work on any picture that you have in your Google Photos. So it doesn't matter if you took those pictures with another smartphone. You're going to be able, only on the 7 and 7 Pro, will you be able to, I don't know if it's the 7. Let me take that back. You can correct me on that. Let's just say the 7 Pro for right now. Face unlock will be on both devices though. But you'll be able to take any picture taken with any smartphone, as long as they're in the Google Photos, and you'll be able to fix those. So there's going to be a lot of you out there going deep into your older pictures to give them new life, to revive those pictures with that tool. So that's really cool. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Any questions, please leave that down below in the